It's very common for us to see James Hardie be used with brick, stucco, or stone. It cannot be installed over stone or stucco. It's possible to install James Hardie over brick, but it's not recommended. So one, it's very expensive, but two, the problem is you basically have to fur it out. And so now you're adding, between 1.5 to 2 inches of thickness away from your windows. So your windows are recessed, they look a little funny, and then there's also a chance for some water issues. So is it possible? Yes. Is it recommended? No. Like in those cases, we just remove brick and then install, make sure it's airtight, watertight, make sure the substrate's great, and then we install Hardie just like we normally would. Really, when it comes to preparation, installing James Hardie siding around other masonry products so it's not recommended to install Hardie over them, so we're just going to have to demo it. So nothing the homeowner has to do, it's us just making sure that we have to remove that product, check the substrate, make sure it's durable, make sure it's in great shape. There's no special preparation. It's just extra time, extra money. There's two reasons that we don't recommend putting Hardie over brick. One, it's very expensive. So it's much cheaper to remove the brick versus go over it. And if we go over it, now you're adding like an extra 2 inches of thickness from the wall. And so again, like your windows are normally pretty close to flush or maybe a ½ inch recessed. Now they're going to be 2 to 3 inches recessed. So your home will look different than it is today. And then also like from moisture standpoint, like you kind of want to be flush from moisture management. So now there's a chance you could have leaks down the road where you won't have that problem if we actually remove the brick.